Space mining is our future. Scientists are putting more emphasis on finding new ways to gather resources and using the ones we have sustainably, as the repercussions of environmental deterioration and natural resource depletion become more severe. Among these controversial methods, fracking is being pursued by scientists. Asteroid mining is presented as a possible answer. However, it is literally out of this world. What kinds of possibilities does asteroid mining offer? Curious to know more? Now let's get deeper into this. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's start the video. Asteroid mining is still primarily theoretical due to its prohibitive cost. Commercial mining is hard to price without good data. Still, similar initiatives to those undertaken by NASA to collect samples from the near-Earth asteroid Bennu can be compared. The expedition will take 7 years and cost more than $1 billion. Despite only bringing back 400 grams to 1 kilogram of the material, neither planetary resources nor deep space industries had enough money to cover the enormous costs of developing their products. In 2018 and 2019, respectively, both firms were acquired by different enterprises. Asteroids have precious resources, therefore developing the technology to mine them may be worth it, despite the exorbitant cost. Mining the top 10 most effective asteroids that are both the nearest to Earth and most significant in value would create a profit of roughly $1.5 trillion, according to Asterank. This service analyzes the potential worth of more than 6,000 asteroids currently tracked by NASA. Growth potential is high as well. According to reports, asteroid 16 Psyche is home to $700 quintillion worth of gold, or around $93 billion for every person on Earth. Such innovation may potentially have significant ecological consequences. Most importantly, asteroid mining would eliminate the need for conventional underground mining techniques, which contribute to acid mine drainage and leach harmful compounds like lead and arsenic into water supplies. Solar power satellites, a potentially reliable, renewable energy source, could be developed thanks to asteroid mining. Because of escalating global water shortages, most of the existing asteroid mining technology has been devoted to retrieving water. A significant case may be made that if humans no longer mine asteroids, the number of instances of unlawful or unethical mining techniques would decrease. This would have a disproportionate effect on unregulated ASM mines. Consider the Democratic Republic of the Congo, which has received a lot of media coverage as of late. As the world's demand for batteries and EVs rises, this country has stepped up to meet it by tapping into its 70% share of cobalt reserves. However, the appalling history of child labor and fatal accidents inside Congolese ASM operations has underlined the need for significant change. Perhaps the kind of transformation the world needs to stop these abuses of power is a shift toward asteroid mining as an alternative to conventional mining. Developing economies need access to asteroid mining technologies to compete in a space-oriented economy. Since developing enterprises will mainly drive such operations, developing countries may have to sponsor their presence in their borders or boost educational programs to allow for their establishment. Second, mining-dependent economies must diversify. However, this gradual process would be hampered by technical developments that benefit wealthier nations. The Tel Aviv University report recommended a third solution, developing a mechanism to reimburse less rich countries by wealthier countries using the technology. Finally, politicians could regulate production responsibly. This would ensure that even if large-scale asteroid mining became possible, materials would only be produced at existing rates. This may reduce the risk of a tragedy of the commons, where overuse depletes resources. Human technology's limits make this possible despite space's vastness. Like the 1967 Outer Space Treaty and the 1979 Moon Agreement, most space treaties are ambiguous. This ambiguity has allowed governments like the US and Luxembourg to establish laws permitting private corporations to mine asteroids, but resource control has been neglected. The only resource restriction prohibits one nation from owning moon and celestial bodies. Thus, numerous questions remain concerning who should regulate space and how. This debate is vital, but it must include both countries with the ability to reach space and mine asteroids, and those suffering economic consequences. All nations should join the asteroid mining club. This is it, everyone. So what do you think? Leave a comment and let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. Also, put on the notifications because the following video is going to be a great one.